And today, doctors across the country will be coming together to take on Yoga Guru Ramdev. Top doctor associations have come together. They'll be protesting against Ramdev over his remarks on allopathy. The doctors will be holding a black band protest at hospitals against Ramdev, and this will be across the country. All this because of what Ramdev had said last week. He'd sparked a massive row after he referred to allopathy as a failed science. He called it a stupid science and blamed it for COVID deaths. He even mocked the vaccination drive, claiming that doctors are dying despite getting both doses of the vaccine. So the doctors immediately responded, referring to Ramdev's remarks as discouraging for the fraternity, and also accused him of promoting vaccine hesitancy. Doctors have demanded that Ramdev now be booked for sedition. The Uttarakhand Indian Medical Association unit has even gone ahead and slapped a 1,000 crore defamation notice to the Yoga Guru. They've also demanded a written apology within 15 days. And listen into exactly what Ramdev has said in the last few weeks that's caused this huge uproar and that's led to doctors going up in arms against him.
खैर अरेस्ट तो किसी वो जो है उनका बाप भी कोई नहीं कर सकता स्वामी रामदेव को लेकिन एक शोर मचा रहे हैं कि क्विक अरेस्ट स्वामी रामदेव, क्विक अरेस्ट स्वामी रामदेव। कभी कुछ चलाते हैं, कभी कुछ चलाते हैं, कभी ठग रामदेव, कभी महाठग रामदेव, कभी जो है कभी गिरफ्तार रामदेव। अब चलाते रहते, चलाने दो। तुम अपने लोगों को भी थोड़ा सा बीच बीच में अभी प्रैक्टिस हो गई है ट्रेंड चलाने की, और आप वो ट्रेंड में हमेशा ही जो टॉप पर पहुंच जाते हो। इसके लिए भी आपका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन।
लाखों लोगों की मौत एलोपैथी की दवा खाने से हुई है। जितने लोगों की मौत हॉस्पिटल न जाने के कारण से हुई है, ऑक्सीजन न मिलने के कारण से हुई है, उससे ज्यादा लोगों की मौत ऑक्सीजन के बावजूद हुई है, दवा एलोपैथी की दवा मिलने के बावजूद हुई है, स्टीरॉइड की वजह से हुई है। लाखों लोगों की मौत का कारण एलोपैथी है। मैं कहता हूं एलोपैथी साइंस पूरी खराब नहीं है। मॉडर्न मेडिकल साइंस का हम स्वागत करते हैं, साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी का विरोध नहीं है।
Let's take this across to Anisha Mathur to get you all the details about this protest that's been planned today. So, Anisha, what form of protest, what nature of protest are we talking about? Because this is amid a pandemic. We already know how stressed and how overburdened our healthcare services are. And the question everyone will be asking is about whether this is going to affect patients as well.
The doctors' associations have made it clear that there will not be any effect on patient services. At least in Delhi, the notices that have been sent out by the AIIMS, DDU, MAMC and other resident doctors' associations very clearly say that the doctors are going to be wearing black bands on their arms to register their protest. There was expected to be a small march at AIIMS this morning as well. But at the moment, what the doctors have very clearly said that across the country, healthcare services will not be affected, because that is exactly what they're trying to show, that doctors have been working day and night for the last year and a half to take care of their patients during this pandemic, and that is precisely why they are so angry at Baba Ramdev for making the kind of statements that he's made. We've seen how the Uttarakhand Medical Association has already sent a defamation suit. There have been calls to register FIR against Ramdev. Today's protest is being marked as a black day by the doctors, specifically to mark their protest against what Ramdev has been saying about doctors and about modern medicine. What they've said, they've argued that when he or any of his followers fall ill, they also run to the nearest hospital, to the nearest allopathic doctor for treatment.
Yes.
So that they are being targeted when they have been working so hard. Back to you.
All right, Anisha, we'll be tracking the latest that comes in on that protest. For the moment, thank you for joining us.